In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move a Google Drive folder to another folder. This can be extremely useful for organizing your files and ensuring that everything is stored in the most logical and convenient places possible. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, we'll want to start by opening Google Drive. You'll do this by heading to your web browser and typing in the URL drive.google.com. Once you've signed in, you'll see your familiar Drive interface with all your files and folders laid out before you. Next, locate the folder you want to move. This is the folder that contains the files or subfolders you're interested in relocating to a different spot within your drive. Take a moment to find it now. There's no rush. Once you've found the folder, you're ready to initiate the move. You actually have 3 different ways to go about this, so feel free to pick the method that you find easiest or most intuitive. The first way is to use the classic drag and drop method. Simply click and hold your mouse button down on the folder, then drag it over to the destination folder. You can drop it directly in the main window or use the left-hand navigation pane to drop it where you wish. If drag and drop isn't for you, the second option is to utilize the right-click menu. Simply right-click on the folder you want to move. From the options that pop up, choose Organize, then select Move. It's a straightforward way to initiate the move without any fuss. Now, if you prefer using toolbar icons, the third option is just what you need. Select the folder so it is highlighted. Then, direct your attention to the toolbar at the top of the page, where you should see a Move icon. It looks like a folder with a right arrow. Give that a click to start the moving process. Regardless of which method you chose, a Move dialog box will appear, prompting you to select your new destination. Navigate through your various Drive folders to find and select the new spot for this folder. This could be any folder you think suits best, even a subfolder within My Drive. If your destination is a shared drive, you'll need to click on All Locations first, then make your way to Shared Drives where you can find the specific folder you're aiming for. Once you've navigated to and selected your desired destination, it's time to confirm the move. Click the Move button in the dialog box, and you're all set. Instantly, the folder, along with all of its contents, will be transferred to its new location, making your drive a little bit more organized than it was just a moment ago. And there you have it, a simple, effective way to move folders within Google Drive to better organize your digital space. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful in streamlining your workflow.